Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to create a plant in SAP. We'll learn how to create a plant in SPRO. But before we jump into SPRO, let me tell you a short story. What what plant roles is in SAP. If anyone will ask, right, uh, you know, what is plant? The plant is nothing but the home address of your assets. Think think about your own home. If Amazon wants to deliver your package, they need your address. Similarly, if SAP wants to maintain a machine, it needs the machine's address. That address is pulled, this address is called plant. No plant equal to lost of machine. Plant equal to happy SAP. Now let's create a plant. Enough stories, you know, now show me where I am. Okay, great. So we'll go to this transaction code area where I'll put SPRO. SPRO is a transaction code for settings. The moment I'll hit enter after SPRO, it will take me to the screen where I have to capture this. Click on this SAP reference IMG. Click on this. Now we have a enterprise structure. So if you want to create a plant, you have to enter in this enterprise structure. Go to enterprise structure and then definition. You have to click on, you have to expand this definition area. Again, you can see we have an option of logistics general. Again, we will expand this one. Now you can see the moment we click on logistics general, we can clearly see define plant. We'll click on define plant. The moment I click on define plant, system will take us to the screen where you can see a lot of people, a lot of plant has already been created, right? These all are plants. These all are plants, right? But you wanted to create your own plant. So how we'll do it? We have to go to new entries. The moment I'll click on new entries, system will take us to the screen where I have to create. We have to create a plant, right? Okay. So let me tell you, you know, what is plant. So in this field, in this particular field, SAP is asking, what's my name? Right? SAP is asking, what's my name? Now we will enter any number, some sort of number, or any. It could be a digit, it could be a alphabets. Let's start from digit, right? Let's put 1010. Okay, fine, 1010. Okay. Right now we don't have any match. Why system is saying we don't have any match? Because let's say the moment I'll put thousand, right? So we have already created on the name of thousand, right? So that's why we'll take 1010. Okay, we don't have any match. Now it's time to name. Now it is actually asking, what's my name? Which plant you're talking about? Name that. So I'll type the name, right? Tata. Let's take uh, Mumbai plant. Okay, I will hit enter. The moment I hit enter and click on save button, system SAP will take us to a different screen where we have to set the title of that company, whether it is a company or whether it's a name. So it's a company, so I'll click on company. Now again we have to put the name. Okay, so state data motors. Hit enter. Okay, sorry. So the moment I hit enter, see what's this asking? Make a entry in mandatory fields means couple of fields we have which has not been maintained. So we can see this red mark will show this field is mandatory. You can see a couple of other fields, right, where you cannot see this star marks, because these all fields are not mandatory at all. If you want, you can put anything, right, like house number, let's say 11 by 2, you know, BKP, MUM Mumbai, anything. You can postal code could be 03212, anything. Now I'll come to the country where it is, in which country it has, the company has set up. So it is in India. So the moment I put in India, reason we have to select, if when you will click on this drop down button, you can see, right, all the regions are from India only. All the regions are from India only, right? So I'll click, it's a Mumbai, right? So let's click Maharashtra. Okay, so if every region have a different code, every region have a different code. Okay, now we have a PO postal code and all, each and everything, company postal code, you can maintain each and everything, right? You can maintain, not a problem. Now I will click on this button or hit enter. The moment I hit enter, system will take us to this customizing request. What this pop-up called? This is a TR, transport request. So why it is necessary? As of now, it's not required to know for you guys. But yeah, when you work in a company, right? So this is a very much important thing to transfer your request from one system to another system, right? This is a development one. So we know we don't need it actually, right? So okay, anyways, but I'm clicking on this continue button. See, I will. It's already saved. I'll click go back. Now, now we can see, right? Now we can see our plant has been already created. If you wanted to search, you can go to the position, put your plant name, hit enter. You can see the details as well. See, these all are that has been already created. Okay, so this is how we can create our own plant in SAP system. Okay.